I'm my bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She feel like she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad,
high
but now I'm a
volume,
bitch.
high volume.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Makayla. I'm back with another video. Press the it. Oh no, yeah. Press enter. So I'm back with another video. I'm just starting my weekly vlog. I'm not really doing shit today. Literally just starting the vlog here. I'm gonna have to change SD cards by the time this video gets somewhere. And I did not put my lens on, so I'm going. This is raw dog. That shit gay. What do you mean? Why would you were supposed to be thinking about what you needed? Okay, you come to come close. I'm finna get something to eat. I thought I was making a sandwich. Oh yeah. Yeah, something to walk on. So you just need to. I'm gonna beat this bird up. But this is the start of my weekly vlog. I'm not really doing shit this week. I'm probably gonna end up going swimming. Hopefully, I could talk to girl. I just said B word. I ain't gonna call her that. Hopefully, I can talk to this girl to go on me. Probably like Wednesday. Talking about to go on with you Wednesday. Don't put on for that fucking camera. I talk you into going Wednesday. Don't put on for the camera. How am I putting off on the camera? Cause how you gonna talk me into going if you already said we were earlier? We said we was talking about going next weekend. Nah, we said we was going anyway. You can't even go talk me into going. Like, I just don't want to go with you. No, I'm saying talk you into going Wednesday. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna go eat the rest of our seafood. Cause she's a seafood hater. How? It's beyond me. But she's a seafood hater. I can't put you on my weekly vlog all week. Okay. Bitches do too much. I need my nails did, y'all. I got lace on my damn nails. Okay, try again. I'm gonna get them done real soon. Real soon. I wanna go get my lashes did. What? I need my hair cut. Okay. I need some more grills. Huh? I need a drink. I never said I needed a wig or a gun. I just said my nails and my lashes, you know. This a cute $60. Wow. Oh, my toes. I don't need my toes done now. My nails are cool $60. My lashes like $90, $100. So it's like $160. A Draco is $800. Grills, a lot. A fucking lot. So I don't think we on the same page. The haircut was cool. The haircut was real cool. But you kind of got off track there. What else you want? Some force. Okay, now that's doable. You know, you're on the same track. Oh, but so does that mean that she gonna pay for my nails? What that mean? What that mean, y'all? What that mean, Chuck? What that mean, Chuck? What that mean, Chuck? Don't do too much. Y'all, she's such a hater. No, I'm hating. I know you're just a hater in general. You're just a hating asshole. Oh, I forgot. I don't know how. She hate every day. All day. But I'm finna go in this damn house. Because now all of a sudden she don't want to go to Walmart. I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
y'all can't really hear me in this clip because the car was pretty damn loud. But I can tell y'all that we're gonna go on a hike, and yes, we were going to the little place so we could hike up all these goddamn fucking hills and rocks and shit. They just be having me do shit. They really do. I have my little headband on, my little claw clip in, you know, my little chlorophyll water and balloon and shit. I was ready for the damn hike, I know that much. Except for I didn't have no goddamn jacket and it was cold this day. So yes, I did end up with her jacket on. I do not care.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't.
Okay. I fed homeless. What you mean? How was you?
Fuck.
Bitch giving.
Giving.
Felt very blessed.
Amen.
Fuck.
We walking. I stole a jacket.
My friend had gave me a stank face. Ask me why I do that.
Looking around, I look at him like, okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay. Down south, bad bitch, discreet shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them. And fuck these hoes who you can't fuck with me. Fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler.
I didn't bring my camera. I think I told you I was not bringing my camera. But
Damn, I should have bought a black.
I'm not.
Them hoes love to say them. That's what I heard. Ma'am? We ain't gonna do too much. Oh. Please don't do too much.
Y'all gonna hear me breathing.
Nobody you fucking on.
I should have brought my microphone because it's probably windy a little. But y'all gonna hear what y'all hear today. Cause y'all can see the views. Look at the view.
I'll jump down there, but don't live. Slide down the hill.
Oh, they just said it's snake season.
They all the way over that way though.
Oh, okay. Look, this bitch got boots on.
Back gonna be hurt.
We don't be chilling. We do. This is very spontaneous. We decided to come with them an hour ago.
But you need boots, what?
Exactly.
But then it's not cold. It's like it's cold, but it ain't cold. Right.
It's just the wind blowing.
Woo! Oh, they are? It is. My case was slippery.
Please be careful. I'm gonna still to fall. You know what I'm saying. Look at this bitch. She 100% just left us to go in the waterfall. Oh, that's too much for me. Look at that bed. But he's killing. You gotta find the right rock to sit on, you know. Anyway. The stuff I do for y'all. Looky here. Looky here.
I see it. Why you? Oh, God.
Big mama tired. Big mama. She's got her breath on her face. I don't know how to say that, y'all. Matter of fact, no. No. My neck. My neck on fire.
Huh?
My neck on fire. No, what you get? This is where we came from, guys. Mind you, we got a lost bag. Let's not forget. I thought Kobe was a damn animal. That's J-Lo doing that. Just nature.
Let's smash this whole down. Junior, who you on the phone with? My boyfriend. Hang up. We don't need no negativity.
She's not living in the moment, is she? Y'all think I'm gonna hold y'all? This whole time they got me fucking hyping and tired.
Think about it.
We goddamn skippy. I mean, you goddamn wrong. Wrong. You fucking wrong. You fucking wrong. Let's tell her to hold y'all.
Yeah, man. He's gonna keep doing that.
Never mind. We just gonna talk to y'all when we make it to where we going.
I mean, like, being happy with the decisions, bro.
Most of y'all are mine because I wasn't here.
It was not that one. He's sitting
I was not here.
Cairo.
I was not
I
here.
gotta go to fucking Ziki's Zoo.
Anyway, so we at a chill spot, I guess.
It wasn't the Armada because, baby, I was driving Ruby still.
I literally wasn't here.
You gotta go to Ziki's Zoo.
I guess you stole my car now, guys.
He only said candy, so I might as well just go to the store and buy this shit.
Nah, bro.
They was not here that
They
one
was not.
time.
They was not with us.
Who? Y'all came with me by
Y'all
yourself?
confused, y'all.
No, it was us
No, we
five.
came up here with just us. Literally just
Yeah, it
us.
was. I'm telling you.
I know the time that they talking about, but they don't know the time. They was here, but they don't
wasn't
remember
here.
it.
That time when I
But
cracked
y'all
my phone
had
and
to.
shit, they
Y'all
was not
definitely was
here.
here.
When
Y'all
the
definitely was
time I cracked my phone.
Because if I'm
And
not
that's the
mistaken,
only
the girl
time
over
I
there-
I
came.
don't even remember you
No,
cracking
that was
that
the time
shit
that
on
we
me.
Yes,
We
well,
was
we
on
was
the
on
Zoom.
at
We
the
was not-
concert hall. She dropped her phone. That's why her phone broke.
I'm confused. The concert hall.
Yeah, what the fuck is
J-Lo.
called?
That's the hoes
that place down there.
I just want to see you do this shit. Jump back, bitch. Baby, thank you, Tarzan, for real.
Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. That real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a.
Hey, y'all. So, it is Friday. I don't know if I've been keeping up with the days or not. I don't think I'm on camera, though. I don't know if I even recorded since we were hiking. I don't know what the fuck is out in this video. But I just know I've been trying to record. I've been trying to eat healthy too, y'all. I done eat eggs every day. It's really been egg boils every day, but is that y'all days? Oh, I didn't think so. But and I've been drinking smoothies. This got fresh strawberries, frozen pineapples, frozen mangoes, coconut cream, and coconut milk. I'm really trying to gain weight out here though. So that's really what's been going on. Summertime is coming, y'all. I gotta start working out. I don't be working out yet. I just started the diet. I ain't start working out yet. We ain't get there yet. We ain't get that far yet. But we on the fresh SD card. You know how that goes. Fresh SD card. I need to go ahead and go buy me another one to be waiting for its turn. But not ready. I got like, I don't know. But I need to buy me another adapter thing because I just broke. Yeah, and I need to put my Apple Watch on charger. Today I gotta do my hair. I stressed myself out by saying that. I don't know if I want to put my purple wig back on or what I want to do. I'll really figure that out later. I don't think I want to put my purple wig back on simply because of the fact that I don't have to clean it. That's really a big deal. Like, dang, cleaning the wig. Do you know how long it takes? Some time that could be used towards something else. So, I doubt but the silicone, but I really want to, based off like this is the wig that I wanna wear. But it don't really matter. It don't really matter because why would it matter? Why does it matter? Why should it matter? I just be chatting. I really just want to do a little small little chill girl talk because don't because I need my fucking nails and my toes done, and I want to get my lashes did, but this is a story for another day. But today I am going to be doing my cluster lashes and my hair. I need to buy another wig. I need to buy a wig. I need to become a wig influencer. This is what I need to start working towards. I need to get on my TikTok stuff. But she on the phone
right now.
So I'll be back. So hey y'all, I'm at home. I just did my lashes. Today was a chill in the house day. It's it's 3:23. I'm doing my lashes once again. So. Who is others? Facebook gonna tell you who the others is that's watching your page. Oh my auntie got my. I'm gonna. This gonna be in a family group chat. Lord, bye. Girl, I'm gonna be in a family group chat, y'all. But I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna take this purple wig off and do this black wig. I ain't really got nothing to tell y'all. I just want y'all to see my lashes. We supposed to be going to the pit tomorrow. We was gonna go to A-Day. But we was like, fuck that shit. So we going to the pit. Cause we was been supposed to go to the pit. We ain't never been. We was been supposed to go. So we gonna go tomorrow. Y'all got this butter croissant perfume mist from Walmart by this it smells so fucking good. It smells so fucking good. Like so fucking good. So fucking good. Like I got this cocoa souffle one as well. But it don't smell as good though. It do smell good though. It's not as good as that one. Ooh. I got this roll on from the gas station. I ain't even gonna lie. Viva. Viva La Juicy. I already put on lotion and stuff, but I forgot to put on perfume. I put on perfume even when I'm not gonna wear. I don't know. That's just me. I just like to smell good. I don't care. I smell my damn self. That's just that. But I'm just watching TikTok and yeah, it is 3 o'clock. So we're 3:30 now. So I don't gotta be asleep till for another 5 or hours. But yeah, my nose fucked up. Let me see. But yeah, I've been trying. I've been trying to be healthy and stuff, y'all. Like, I've been eating. I think I already told y'all. I don't know. Egg boils every morning with a smoothie. And then I got my balloon. And it's another brand that I do. I be doing them, like, switching them out every day.
like bloom this day, then the other one this day. The other one got collagen and all that good stuff in it. So yeah, I like them. They've been working, you know, good health, greens, all that good stuff. It's been working pretty well, pretty good. My chlorophyll, I've been taking that. My what's this shit called? Miss Mary. I don't know, the little liquid morning vitamins. Them. And that's it. And yeah, I've been doing good on my stuff, trying to keep up. You know, my skin been clearing up and stuff a little or whatever. I'll use Panoxyl to wash my face, and then it's got some couple of things that I use on my face. My nose running. Ugh. She's back. Oh, she's back. But yeah, I got a couple. Hopefully, I can hurry up with my hair because I can start editing these videos or whatever. I need to go to Walmart one of these days and get some more SD cards so I can just have some on hand or whatever. But yeah, I need to order my microphone. Can y'all remind me? Cause I keep forgetting, and it's just gonna be what it is until y'all remind me. Cause I keep fucking forgetting. So I need to get my microphone. Let me get a light to put on here. I already got like a clip-on light, but I need a little slide-on light. If that makes sense. But I'm gonna do my damn hair. I'm just talking. Let me do my damn hair. Y'all not gonna watch me. Y'all not gonna watch me be bald-headed. And look what I got from Walmart, y'all. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. How many? Y'all see that? Hold on, do y'all know? 36. Exactly. So, I got 36 razors. There's 36 brand new wig installed. I lied. Dermal planning. I don't even know if this is how y'all say it. Anyways, you know, the face. You know, ball caps. I'm going right now for a ball cap. But they just come in 3 different shades of pink and a black color. This motherfucking camera lens color. Stupid shit. But go to Walmart and get y'all one. 36. Make sure ain't nobody steal nothing out of there now. They just the regular beauty supply razors. Cut that ball cap, cut that wig with the lace. Not the wig, don't cut the wig, the lace. Cut whatever. But y'all gonna get the fuck out this camera and start running my damn mouth and do my damn hair. I don't want to though. But I need to. Because I ain't gonna want to do it tomorrow. I ain't even gonna want to curl my shit tomorrow. Y'all mind my fucking closet. Y'all up in my motherfucking business. But yeah. I'm gonna do my damn hair. Let me stop procrastinating. Y'all letting me procrastinate and shit. But I'm gonna go. And y'all want me to go? What y'all wanna talk about? Nah, shit, so get off my phone. I mean, my camera. Y'all know y'all want. Get off my camera. It's 3:31. I gotta go. Hey, y'all. Hey, you folks. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. It is Saturday. Girl, do y'all want another date? Y'all want another date? Let's try. Today is Saturday, April 12th. Ooh.
Girl, you get the picture. It's Saturday, April 12th. We supposed to be outside. Don't mind my curls, they fell real fast. But look at this. This is cute with the purple. This is fucking cute. This is fucking cute. I'm glad I did what I did. Y'all was not supposed to have purple hair. I was supposed to put that I told you, I was supposed to put that black wig on. I didn't feel like it, Lord. This already had a part in it and everything. It just needs to. It just had glue on the lace. But you know what I did? I put some alcohol on that towel and got to scrape. I was not finna wash that. Oh, I was not finna wash it. The black one was already clean, but they ain't had no part. I was gonna have to part out edges, hot comb, get it flat because it was freshly washed. It's just too much, too much. But this one, I had to do was thin lace. Let's got that bitch on my head, and it melted so easily. Okay, it may not be my color a little bit. Get a little closer. Might not be my color a little bit, but that ain't y'all business because I used the wrong one. I used the wrong color. I did. That's on me. Ah, shit, she's coming back. Anyways, but today we just looking for a move, trying to see what we doing and shit. You know. You were supposed to match me for real.
You did not say that. You said you don't need to match me. Get out.
I didn't. There's something to check.
You ever go see what condition my shoes in? Do you want me to see what condition my shoes in?
Abuse.
What we finna do?
Exactly. Boy, I should test this shirt out first. Anyways, we don't know what we're gonna do, but we gonna figure it out. I'm gonna be back to y'all when we figure it out. So we have to hit. I had to go back to my camera because I was gonna leave it in the car, but I changed my mind. I need a microphone for this bitch still. Listen, I get that shit later. I keep saying it. I'm so sad. But you know, I feel like a content creator. You know, just pay my little $30, make my pay my way. No, I'm talking to this. Hopefully, Corey. Thank you. I love it here. I love it here already, y'all. I love it here. I love it here. But, anyways, yeah. I'm really hoping Corey don't want to go bowling nowhere. Cause Jordan should come, right?
Kobe too.
Probably not. Y'all be good. Oh, hold on, y'all.
40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
My heart is hard to carry after dark. Y'all to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night.
That nigga smart. I thought I was look over there. I see it in my hand. Y'all over here. I don't know where the fuck dreams is at. Yeah. Please don't start that. Please don't start that. We on a date. Oh, wait, no, she like car date. She like cars. I like cars. We on a car date.
Don't do drugs.
Hey, she on her car over there.
All right.
I'm ready for like to get ready. I'm gonna be in there somewhere. We're gonna make it up. You might be right for I can't. Oh God. I can't. This shit keep getting my eye on y'all. It's about the third time. Y'all give me we're probably gonna see a couple videos put together. I might see a little something. I'm not gonna show y'all yet. I want to see all of it. Y'all wanna be here with me? We outside though, y'all. It's Saturday. I'm out tomorrow. I'm out all night. Friday.
Look at the key, gang. Look at the key.
I want to go fix my hair because you know I had it. I was asleep and the curls are not curling. Oh, somebody else is coming out? No, somebody else coming out. Hold on, I can't prop y'all up. Hold up, bitch, up. Where's the bug ball when I need it?
Oh shit.
Hey yo!
Who threw that shit? Who threw that shit? Who threw that shit?
Not the damn beat.
Why would you do that, bro? Why would you do that?
Now he getting jumped. Now he getting jumped. Now he getting jumped. Now he getting jumped. Now he getting jumped.
Take that video. We the scariest motherfuckers out here. Why would you do that? Why the fuck would you do that? No, don't throw another one. You cool? Why would you do that? Red, I swear to God. You lucky. You're lucky I fucking love you. You're lucky I fucking love you. You are lucky I ran. The shit was...
no. Not me.
I don't even play like that. I don't even want to play like that. I don't even want to play like that. How he gonna throw them hoes down? God, how you gonna throw them at them and hide? I gotta go get my other piece of my trap off my phone.
And we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So. Out of body, that's just how I feel when I'm around you. Started last night, we didn't stay, but girl.
I'm back at home. It is 11:30. I did took some of my clothes off. I kind of cleaned my face some. That shit was black as fuck from that shit. They just dirty. But yeah, I'm chilling. Gonna chill. Whatever. Okay. That's the end of this vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed my little weeky week. Okay, I'm not gonna say the number. I hope y'all. I record every day. Yeah, I record every day though. But I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. You know, I did a couple of things. You know. I hope that was enough for y'all. No, I hope that was enough for y'all. Y'all fuck with me like this. Fuck with me. You gotta subscribe and like the video. What? Okay, apparently I can't say that. Y'all like the video. Subscribe to me. I guess. Come back, watch my next video. Watch my video before this one. And the one before that. If I post it. And the ones after that. And yeah. I'll put with y'all later, I guess.
Small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash on.